and try to take the path less traveled by. That first step you take is the longest ride. If today was your last day,